Hey guys, Anthony here from Wishy Washy Wanderlust. Hey, putting up our first video here for the YouTube channel. Hope you like it. It's me replacing the shower head in our RV and also replacing the faucet because I needed a new faucet to connect that shower head to. So here it is. Hope you like it. Hey guys, here in the camper, getting it all ready for our first weekend. We're going to be going next weekend. It's going to be for our anniversary. First time in the camper, the new old camper. Anyway, I want to do a short video on the shower head in the bathroom in here. We're going to be changing it out to the new, where I have it here, the new Oxygenics, one everybody seems to be changing to. I'm going to change it over to this new head and see how it does. The old one sucks. So this is the new one, the new Oxygenics Pure Shower Genius Body Spa Sprayer. Got the highest reviews on Amazon for RV sprayers, shower sprayers. It seems to be the one that everybody switches over to. This old one, really a piece of junk. Doesn't spray very well. It's all clogged up. I'm hoping this one will do a little better. So this is the old one. You can see it's not a very powerful spray. I got the 12-volt pump running right now. We're not on city water at all. This is just off the pump itself. And this is what our spray pattern is. It's the old original to this camper. Not very good, not very powerful. But you can see how it is with the 12-volt pump on the new one. Hopefully it's a lot better than just the 12 volts for when we're boondocking. So we'll see. I'm hoping I can just get this off real easy. Nope. Have to get going with a wrench here. Water draining out of it. So this is the new one all laid out here. We got the hose, which I'm not too sure about. This is just that vinyl covered. I don't even think it's vinyl. Well, maybe it's got metal in it. Looks like it does, but I don't know if that's just plastic on the inside too. I'm never too keen on these hoses. They don't twist real good, and they kind of they're a little too stiff for my taste. I did like the old one. Here's the old one. This is all metal, stainless, I believe, or maybe aluminum. As a maintenance person myself, this is what I like to use where I work when we're replacing showers. Because, like I say, these plastic ones don't look that great as far as being flexible and what have you. I'm sure they flex this way and that, but when you're trying to twist them around, they're so-so. We'll see how it does. Here's the new mounting bracket for the shower head to sit in. It's just feels like fairly cheap plastic too. And this one is brushed nickel, but it is also plastic. We'll see how long they last. Kind of interested in that too. Once again, this got a little shower stop right here to turn it off and on, which comes in handy in an RV, obviously, because you don't want to use up a lot of water when you're doing your showers. I don't know. We'll see. Feels kind of cheap. I think this was like $32, $35, something like that on Amazon. That's what everybody swears by. Thought about getting just a regular residential style, but this is one everybody said to use because it has a more powerful spray for the water volume we'll be getting off of the pump in the RV here. So, alright, let's go set it up, see how it works. So the mounting bracket here comes with double-sided tape option to mount it with. I don't think I'm going to use that right now because, well, let's see. Go in the bathroom here and I'll show you. Here's where the shower was mounted before. I just took that off. It was just screwed up there, but as you can see, it's our new camper and it needs redone. We're going to redo everything, repaint. I'm not sure we're going to cover what we're going to cover this inside with, either one of those peel and stick tile surrounds that they have now. If we're just going to paint it, not sure yet. Anyway, I think for now I'm just going to put it up with the 2 screw mounting option, just so I can take it back off easily when it does come time to recover this with whatever we're going to cover with. So I did have to make sure that I brought the bracket down far enough, otherwise we'll hit the top here. Still not sure about this. It kind of sticks out kind of far. I don't know. We'll probably just have to keep it off to the side, unless we're using it, I guess. So one thing I just figured out, guys, this old connection for the old shower, see these threads, this actually connects and screws up into the sink head. And I just looked at the sink itself where this connects, and there's not a threaded outlet connection for the new shower hose. So what I'm thinking is what's going to happen is I'm going to have to reuse this old hose, which I kind of like, because like I was talking about with the metal more flexible hose, I like that better. So I'm going to have to reuse this hose on the new shower head, which I don't think is going to be much of a problem, because like I said, I do like this hose better. Let's see, here's the new hose connection, and it's designed to go just on your typical connection for a shower. As you see, we've got just the regular faucet there that this is going to connect to. I might down the road replace that with just a little shower piece made just for the shower, instead of having a faucet there. I don't know that we'll ever really use the sink in here too much. We may. We'll decide that down the road. So here's the new dilemma: is the old piece, the old shower hose, does not have the elongated piece here to go down in the bracket, the new bracket. So I'll put it down like that with the new piece, just kind of wobbly, kind of hanging there. Not a good solution. I see that completely falling off, and as we're going down the road here, the pump is going to bounce out. There it is, guys. I took the faucet out. The line's hanging out down here. Here's the head right there that the old shower head was attached to. The new, I tried the new shower hose, see if it would go on there with this piece for that removed. It will not. I'm not sure if I want to go find a adapter for this, or if I'm just going to get a new faucet to attach it to. So I got the old sink out. Here's the lines I had to take off up underneath it. Goes up underneath down in there. This is where the old faucet was. I'm just finishing up scraping with a little blade here the silicone they had put up underneath the old the old faucet. There's a little bit left here. I'm going to get this scraped off, and I ordered another sink with a diverter on the top for the shower to work, for the new shower to work with it. I'm going to put a new bead of silicone around this, just so I don't get any water when we're using the shower up underneath this and down into this hole down here, because it's all wood, and it looks like there's been some water damage down there before. I'm not sure. Still have to check the drain from the shower there. Make sure it's not leaking, but somewhere there had been a leak down there before or something. So I just want to seal this up good to make sure there's no way for water to get up underneath it when we're using the shower. So here's the new faucet with the, this one actually has just the regular faucet aerator on the end of it, so we can just get regular water into our little sink here and be able to wash our hands without having to worry about the shower. And this one comes with the little diverter pipe for the actual shower, and this little hole here, this is the diverter you pull up when you want to use the shower, and that diverts the water to the shower instead of to the faucet. Just got this in from Amazon this morning, fairly cheap. I think, if I remember right, it was like $22, something like that. It's all plastic, but for what we're going to use it for, how often we're going to use it, it should hold up fairly well, I hope. Typical RV stuff, it's all plastic. Alright, let's put it. Make sure that's seated real good with the silicone. Get my little nuts, or whatever you call these things. Flange nuts, I think, what they're called. Anyway, put those on underneath here. Alright, got it on. Those flange nuts nice and snug for the most part. I just hand tighten them. It's really tight up in there. I don't know that I could get a plumber's wrench up underneath there to tighten the rest of the way. But they seem pretty tight. Alright, now we gotta get the water lines on. Just gotta remember which one is, I think this is the hot one on there first. Alright, now both of those tighten up. Now, alright guys, my battery went dead on the old GoPro, so using my iPhone here, we'll see how it comes out. I've never used my iPhone for these videos yet, although this is one of my first videos, so we'll see how the quality turns out. I'm interested to see, since some of the guys I watch on YouTube, that's all they use is their iPhones, so it should be fairly decent quality, let's hope. Anyway, I put some thread tape on that connection there, just to be on the safe side. Typically you shouldn't have to when you're going to when you're connecting a plastic thread to the plastic end here, but I like to be safe, make sure it's not going to leak. So we'll just screw that on there, hopefully. With one hand, with the camera. There we go. get the shower head, and we should be able to test it. And there we are. Got it on there getting snug. This has got the on-off switch to be able to control the water. Switch it off so you can lather up, I suppose. Anyway, see this? This is what I was talking about with these rubber hoses. I really hate rubber hoses because after a while this will give a little bit and flex down here by itself, especially if it gets warm in here. But these just kind of get in the way, especially in someplace small like this, a little tiny shower like we got here in this RV. You know, in a full-size shower, it's not quite so bad. But I'd rather use that other hose, but we'll deal with that for now. I may see if I can get a better quality hose to put on there. Stainless steel one that's flexible, more flexible I should say. Anyway, we'll close this up here because we don't want our toilet paper to get wet. I've got a mess here. It was from the last time when I was getting water all over the place and draining the lines. Got some paper towels and crap down here, and there's all the stuff I scraped off from underneath the faucet, the old faucet. Gotta get this all cleaned up. But anyway, I'm gonna go turn the pump switch on. It's under here somewhere. They're gonna get replaced because it's a crappy old pump switch there. Alright, that's turned on. Take this off. We're getting ready to go away for the first time this weekend in our new camper here. We got water. So just get everything ready. Just trying to get this ready just in case for some reason we needed it. But, let's see what we got. Doesn't sound like the pressure is up on the pump. We'll check the pump. Yeah, shoot. Alright, now pressure is up. Let's see what we got. That's definitely better than the old one. Much, much better. I think that'll give us a halfway decent shower when we need one. Whew. I can definitely tell I have not cleaned out the water tanks yet, because that water smells bad. That's another thing I gotta do. We'll be using water tanks this weekend. We have a campground with full hookup, so we're using the regular line, so it shouldn't smell too bad. I've already run those out. But there you go, folks. That's the new Oxygenics shower head on our 12-volt pump. I'm curious to see how it's going to be on regular water pressure, regular city pressure. I'll take a video of that too when we get this up. Looks pretty good though. Thanks guys.